Alright guys, I just wanted to do a quick video. It's more like a big thank you video to Barry Gamble. He did an awesome job painting the body for my TLR 4.0 kit. I'm super happy with it. He's not happy, but I'm super happy. I just finished putting the stickers on it. I wish I didn't do the stickers because they look nice without them, but I wanted to do a copy of the kit, and I think he got it dead on. This is how the kit's supposed to look like, and I think he did a great job, man. It looks freaking dead on. Super happy. And I got his number, and I got to meet him because of my friend Chris from Everyday RC. Thanks, Chris. Super happy with it. I think I'm done breaking in this engine. It took a while. I actually ran it again today for 4 hours straight at a high idle at 205 degrees and 203, 205. It fluctuate 4 hours straight. Try to get rid of that pinch. I like to make sure I polish the cylinder and sleeve best as possible before I start hitting it. Yeah, and that's it. I'm gonna be messing around with my LST2. I also have a new toolbox that I'm gonna be setting up, hooking up. I have a few toolboxes, but I just want to keep one. I wasn't going to show it. Alright, show it to you guys. This toolbox actually, it's almost like the Pee Wee Herman of toolboxes. Only thing I like about it is it's super heavy. But anyway. Alright, this started out as a tool chest. This is not a toolbox, it's a tool chest. I wound up putting a handle from a toolbox on it. I wound up stealing these latches from other toolboxes and drilling them out, riveting them on here. It's gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna keep my chargers up here. And should carry more things. Got a micrometer. Little by little I'm setting it up. Got my temp gun. I just like the way I'm gonna have an area where I keep my glow plugs at all time. I gotta set up all my tools here still. That's it. I think I'm gonna be cutting out the styrofoam so I could recess these tools in here. I'm gonna give that a try. If it doesn't work, I'll go to one of these plastics from Sears. I'm super happy with it. I wound up putting some wheels on it. Put some wheels with locks, just in case you need to roll it around. This tool chest goes for 120 bucks at Sears. It had it was smashed over here, all inside, and the lock was broke, and the key were missing. I wound up drilling it out, changing the cam lock, putting my own lock in it. I wound up bending this out as best as possible, and they gave me a good price on it. Because of the damage it had, I wound up picking it up for 49 bucks. Now it's a cool little toolbox for RCs. Anyway,